Welcome back to the channel. This time we're in the historic coastal town of Whitehaven, right here in Cumbria, on the edge of the Irish Sea. I'll be capturing this trip using the DJI Air3S for those cinematic aerials and the Insta360 for the on-the-ground views. Whitehaven may look like a peaceful seaside town today, but back in the 18th century it was one of the busiest ports, second only to Bristol. Look at that perfect Georgian grid layout. Whitehaven was one of the first planned towns in England, a blueprint later used for cities across the world, including New York City. If you're visiting, make sure to stop by the Rum Story, a museum that dives into Whitehaven's spice and slightly scandalous rum smuggling past, or just relax with a classic Cumbrian coffee and cake. Its harbour was packed with ships carrying coal, rum and tobacco, and spices across the Atlantic. Check out this unique Georgian style harbour layout, designed with military precision. In fact, Whitehaven was even raided by American forces in 1778 during the War of Independence. It's said to be the only American attack on British soil. Today, instead of warships, you'll find fishing boats, yachts and seabirds, making it one of the most scenic harbours in the UK. Whitehaven is one of those places that's steeped in history, yet calm and underrated. If you're road tripping through the Lake District or heading up the coast, make sure to spend a few hours here. If you've enjoyed the mix of drone and 360 footage, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below where I should fly the Air3S next. Until the next time, keep hovering and keep discovering.